Now, let's voice out okay.
The other one, the first kid, now follow this one with the kid. That's so. What can do police? What can do police?
A grieving mother, 2 sons gone, and serious questions about police conduct. What really happened in this tragic case? The mother of 28-year-old musician Oghenemine Ogidi, popularly known as OG Millan, has spoken out after alleging that police actions have led to the death of 2 of her sons in separate incidents. Her latest claim follows the controversial killing of her younger son, reportedly involving Assistant Superintendent of Police, ASP Nuhu Usman, who is currently in detention over the incident in Delta State.
Now, let's voice out okay.
The other one, the first kid, now follow this one with the kid. That's so. What can do police? What can do police? Video when they put to for radio yesterday. Yeah, when they defeat when they begin the time they say now somebody then make it
make the space for the military.
They don't kill her. The person they both follow me. That's my brother and I be my because now if they see and see me see her, you know, get me I don't go for this before I'm married, before anything. Even when I'm married, so why did they call her? When I know they call her for phone, my son buy new shoe. Now, but I mean, first they call. That very day, when the thing happened, so that was Sunday when they say come up for house. So now he call, they tell me, say, say he won't go collect Webby. Say a friend, say make he help her. He pray for Stapele, make he help her pick Webby. Say the friend, he number, he phone now, so get issue. Say he no go fit call her. Me, my mom help her with his phone. May use. So now he collect the phone for my mommy and he call send card put for inside. When he send card put for inside, he call the person with my mom phone. The person call send her money where go fit take transport to go the place. He call they tell me say sister, where be say I go fit take reach there quick and easy because the transport the person tell me so I still like get more profit for inside the transport. And let me go to make it just enter motor straight from garage to roundabout. They go just park for the Sapele Park front. He called say okay, now I got to go. In the evening, I never come. If friend never come, if friend can come meet me, say I say somebody call her say they arrest OGO because everybody they call her OG, the entire everybody now OG they know what to be. They call say they arrest OGO. Now say they arrest OG. He call collect OG. I call the customer can give her OG number. He said because your phone door off. I can't give her, we call OG, you know, they pick me. So now we call just day like that. On the morning, on Monday morning, my dad brother called us, okay, if now arrest her. Now we go find her for station. He go all the old station. He went to Ekpa, Mopo Base, Ebrumede, A division, B division. He go each and every one of them. They say they never hear that kind, they never see. Later again, he call on Tuesday again. He called go those places around, went back again. One of the friends in Mopo follow and go back to Ekpa police station. They say they don't see anybody, they don't know anybody like that. So now we call, they cut us okay, the waiting don't remain and we post the picture. That was yesterday. Now we call post the picture, missing person. My husband called because my husband travel. They cut us say, make her send her the picture too. My husband cut us say, one of your friends say me they send a clearer picture. As they send a clearer picture, now my husband they send the video give my husband. My other brother too, the picture when he sees they send the video give her. Now even me be last person to see the video for the 3 of us. Only for us to come they go. They say hey, they shoot her for him. When we wait, you know see don't do her. Next time we get the call say they don't kill her. They don't kill her. The person they both follow me.
The story gained public attention through a viral video showing a condolence visit by Harrison Gwamanisho and his team. In an emotional footage, the mother broke down in tears as she recounted her loss. According to her, this is not the first time tragedy has struck her family. She revealed that she lost another son in 2022 under similar circumstances involving police officers, making the recent incident even more devastating. She lamented, "Authorities have confirmed that the officer linked to the latest shooting has been taken into custody." Police reports stated that the operation was based on intelligence about a suspect carrying a firearm allegedly identified as Mene Ogidi. However, a circulating video has raised serious concerns. The footage appears to show the victim already restrained and pleading before the fatal shot was fired, fueling public outrage and calls for accountability. The incident has reignited national conversations around police conduct, accountability, and the safety of civilians. Many Nigerians are now demanding transparency and justice as trust in law enforcement agency continues to be questioned. Do you think justice will be served in this case? What reforms do you believe are needed in policing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Please like this video, share and subscribe to Naija News TV for more updates. We'll continue to keep you informed. Please keep watching Naija News TV.